Go.
Damn.
Yeah. Come on.
That's so far. We still have another half a reel to go, and we're jacking the pressure up.
Turn that fucking thing off.
How much pressure are we up to? What pressure are we up to? Just wait a second. I'll put a hand mark on your fucking chest.
How's your ball?
Right. Oh, I'm so lucky I got this thing.
Yeah. Gives look for hitting it.
I zoomed on that too, it's great. Not really.
It's a boy.
Let's go.
Fucking nails.
I've got 4 minutes to take.
Add pressure.
Shit, that one's harder. Right there.
He's got
One there, one there, one there, one there, one there. I had 2 of them hit this.
Put your arms out.
I had 2 of them hit this.
Fuck that fuck.
You would not believe how much that is hurting. Do it from there.
Yeah,
You can do it.
just go one.
Get fucked.
Just